take me on a journey. Please choose me. We could be the best team of all time. We'll do everything together. Learning, training, never stopping.
Hello, today we're gonna open up some Halloween packs and also dad packs. My dad made them.
Starting off with Halloween. We got about 16 of them.
I already started. I got a Drifloon and a Chandler and I don't really know my Pokemon. Here you go. And I love Eevee. Eevee is my favorite Pokemon and also her evolutions. And I got these for Christmas.
Oh yeah.
Glaceon and Vaporeon. Okay, let's open up one.
I don't know if we got this one yet.
We do.
You did get Ghastly?
Yeah.
This is my favorite one in the set. Of course.
Me too. I got a surprise for Nelly. I just got Pikachu. And I also got these ones. This one and this one. Pikachu.
Is this one new?
I got one of those, but that's the second one we got.
Got a
Let's
Lycanroc. So what's your favorite Pokemon?
Eevee. Eevee, Vaporeon. Okay, I'm gonna name 3 that I like. Eevee, Vaporeon, and Glaceon.
Got a Mimikyu.
And there's a Mimikyu like that looks like Pikachu but scarier.
Yeah. What's that one?
Giga. And a teacup. And like a ghost.
Maybe like a used napkin.
That's been drilled on.
Oh, we got this one yet.
I do. We don't have that one.
It's Magius.
I don't think we have Magius.
So my favorite Pokemon is Bulbasaur.
I know.
I was telling them.
Ooh, I don't think we got this one.
Yeah, I just got that one.
Yeah.
You know how to put it so close. It can see really good. You can just do this. Look. You can see them.
The heavy only has.
So the Halloween packs only come with 3 cards.
Yeah, that's dumb.
3 cards.
But it's dumb, but it comes with a lot.
Yeah.
I need help.
Just take my pack.
Well, I couldn't open up that one. Ooh, I got a tree.
I don't know if we got that one yet.
We do. I got a lot. Seriously, you do not know anything.
What do you mean?
No. I'm just telling you that you do not know. I got one. Did you just take mine?
I'm just trying to get to the dad packs first.
Ooh.
Down to our last
Yeah.
ones. Used napkin.
Hey, that was the same that I got a one.
Yeah,
All
this
of them.
one's used napkin.
I need help. We're gonna open up it. Not open up that pack yet.
Let me see what you got.
Now we're gonna do the dad packs.
We have 5 packs, but we're just going to do 3 for right now and save 2 for later.
I'm gonna open up black, green, and yellow.
Okay, so we're going to save pink and blue for another video, alright?
I'll open up black first.
Yep. There's some tape right there.
Let's open up another present. So,
I don't see it yet. Yeah, you're supposed to flip through them.
I got Puplet. I
Hit
got
bump. Do this. Like this. Look. Like that. Okay.
got
Make sure you do it in front of this camera.
Ruff.
Rockruff.
Can you just say them?
Rowlet. Litten. Zubat. I don't know how to say that one. It's Brownie and Brownie. This one right here, kind of hard to say.
It's Pharaoh.
Mm-hmm. And then you have a shiny or reverse hollow Ducklet. An Ultra Ball.
Okay, am I ready?
You gotta make sure you're doing it in here. Here. Larion. So we're gonna put these right here. Make sure you're opening right here. You're opening over here, and then no one's gonna be able to see it.
Let's open up green. I saved my 2 favorite colors for
Make
that.
sure you don't show the last card yet. Further up here. Vulpix. Another Litten. Pinsir. Riolu.
Riolu. Ooh.
Timer Ball.
Espeon. I'm gonna show you, and I'm gonna show you.
Nice. We got one more dad pack left.
Oh, wait.
Our dad pack's the best.
Because you know which ones I like. You see them?
Keep going. Read it in front. Togepi.
Is this a legendary?
Yeah. Xerneas. Tauros.
Growlithe?
Yep.
Jigglypuff?
Make sure people can see your head's in the camera.
Sorry.
She's a new Pokemon card opener.
Jolteon!
So we got 3.
EV evolutions. I picked a good one.
And then we'll save the other 2 dad packs for next episode.
Can we do it right now?
I know you want to do them right now, but we're gonna save them for the next
I'm
video.
gonna show Mom. Thanks for watching. Bye. Subscribe. Report on Facebook. How about you end the video?
Alright.